today I'm just gonna get ready and go to school. So that's pretty much it. I don't really have an intro for today. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. This is gonna be a full get ready with me, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my lips. This is the ShopMissA Oh Honey Lip Oil in the scent Peach. This one's my favorite. I love it especially because anything oil based, I love it on my skin. It helps nourish everything. I'm gonna go in with two primers, so I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop one because, like I said, I'm using it up, and then I haven't used my Fenty one in a while, so let's just apply that. And pretty much I'm just focusing on a very smooth base like I always do. I love it when my face just is very even and very prepped prior to me applying my makeup. The Fenty primer claims to be really good for oily skin, but I don't think it even mattifies the skin at all, if I'm being quite honest. I think that it's just a blurring primer that helps smooth out your skin. It does kind of give a little bit of hydration to the skin as well, so I'm not so sure as far as mattifying goes. I'm gonna use two different foundations. I have my Bare Minerals Bare Pro. As most of you guys know, this is pretty light, and then I always have to darken it up with something else, like a powder. But today I wanted to darken it up just a little bit with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Okay, two very different spectrums here, but I just wanted to use it because it's really, really dark, and I feel like I don't use it, so I kind of want to maybe use just like a pump of this because I really don't know the formula of it that well, and it's something that I really just don't reach for. So I did half a pump of Giorgio and then 2 pumps of Bare Minerals. Gonna mix it on the back of my hand, and then I'm just going to blend it in with the ShopMissA Paw Paw Charity Sponge. Most of you guys know this one is my absolute favorite sponge. It's the best sponge. Both of these foundations have like no coverage, so I am gonna just have to go in with powder and concealer to really conceal my redness because I'm getting really red on my cheeks as of right now. And nothing new here, the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I'm gonna apply this over the redness, around the redness of my nose and under my eyes like this. A little on my forehead and a little bit on my chin and right there on my nose. I'm gonna let that sit real quick and then I'll blend it out because I want this to give me a lot of coverage. So I'm just gonna wait like a minute. Just gonna sit here. You guys did ask me questions on Instagram, and I wanted to answer that in another video, but I will kind of touch on some questions now since, you know, we hit 30,000. That's crazy. Oh my god, that is crazy. Oh. So since we're on the topic of 30,000, I did get a question that says, best comment you have gotten that I can remember. And to be honest, any comment that I get, any good positive comment that I get is the best comment that I get. It just makes me so happy that you guys are willing to take time out of your day to write a paragraph or like write a few words of saying, oh, I love this tutorial, or you know, sometimes you guys are here early with notifications and you're just like, first. That to me, I don't know, it means a lot, and I don't take you guys for granted, and I really can't pick and choose what's the best comment I've ever received because I love every single comment, you know? Instead of using my Maybelline powder, I'm gonna go in with my favorite powder. This one is the ShopMissA Banana Powder. I'm applying this powder with my Sigma F88. The background here makes me look so much more yellow and tan because when I look in the mirror, I'm like pale. But for some weird reason, I'm looking extra yellow and extra tan, but I know I'm not. So weird. For eyebrows, I'm gonna go initially in with the ShopMissA Sculpting Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade Dark Brown, and then as a replacement to powder, I want to use a pomade. So I'm gonna use the Wonder Brow in Dark Brown as well to create those hair-like strokes. I'm gonna see if that works because I see a lot of people doing it and I want to try it. So let's go in with both products. And since I was holding up this palette, I am just going to use it for today's look. So I'm going to start off with this banana shade, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid as a base. As most of you guys know, I like to set my foundation and concealer that's on my eyes because I feel like it gives me a nice even base to work with. I'm going to start off with this orange shade, and I'm going to apply this into my crease. And I am going to just really work this in as my transition shade because I want my eye look to be fairly neutral today since I am just going to school. This is just a get ready, so nothing too much. I am going to play with a little bit of color with this palette because there are greens and I kind of want to incorporate that into my look. Just building up this color. I wanted this to be very natural. I don't know why the hell I just did this to myself. But I'm gonna go in with a different blending brush and blend the top edge of that because I'm looking kind of crazy. All right, I have this clean blending brush and I am just gonna go all over the edges right here. This look was gonna be natural, don't get me wrong, but I made this transition so high, it's impossible to go back. Half cut crease it is for school because I can't, there's no turning back. You can now call me a liar whenever I say I'm gonna do a natural look for school. Just call me a liar, just call me out of my bullshit because there's never a natural day at school. Never. Okay, I'm just gonna take this copper shade and I'm gonna apply that all over where I applied the concealer. And right here in my outer corner, I'm going to deepen that up with the forest green because why not? You know, we're already here. Just gonna tap it on because I find that when I'm working with a bold color, just tapping it in place and then blending it out is better than just initially going in with the blend. I will clean up this outer corner, so trust the process, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing onto the other side. Before I clean this up, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. I have the ShopMissA Wonder Liner, and I'm gonna create a very thin and long wing. After you get that wing down, you just wanna take your concealer on your concealer brush, and this is gonna be the easiest way to clean it up. So you just wanna place that concealer right along that wing like this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I have this new one by Sigma. This is their Sinuosity Lash. I swear to God, everybody loves this mascara from Sigma. Like, they have, I think, 3 others, and I feel like everybody loves this one in particular, so I'm gonna try it out for myself. I am gonna go in with the rose style lashes from ShopMissA. Those ones are very pretty, very light, and I feel like they would complement this look. So this mascara has a plastic wand and I can physically see it grabbing onto all of my lash hairs. It's not giving me like super volume, but it is giving me a lot of separation and length, and it's also helping my curl because the wand is curved. So that's nice. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this champagne color and I'm gonna apply this into the inner corners to really brighten everything up. And for a natural lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna go into that orange shade and apply this onto my lower lash line because I really don't want all that drama. You know what I mean? Like, keep it still kind of subtle. Now, I've gotten a lot of comments asking if I'm gonna get the James palette, and to be quite honest, no. If it was gifted to me by like a family member or somebody, then I would use it, but would I spend my money on it? No. That's just how I feel, because I have a lot of palettes in my collection, and when I see his palette, yes, I do see variety, and yes, I do see something different, but at the same time, I have so many palettes that I can just go into a little bit of everything to get the same effect. And I'm not always that pleased with Morphe shadows in general. And by the way, I'm going in with the ShopMissA single bronzers in Magma and Absolute. I'm mixing both of them to give me a really warm face. Instead of going in with blush, I'm going to take a highlighter. This is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey, and I like to take it on a pretty big brush. I used to use this one for bronzer. This one is the F25 in the foaming set, and I am going to just apply this on my cheeks as blush because it is a pretty dark golden shade, so it does give me some type of illumination to my face, but it's not going to be as blinding as if I were to use like a shade that was a little lighter than my skin. So on top of that, I'm going to take Cream Puff by ShopMissA, their Wonder Highlighter. And do you see how this actually gives me that highlighted effect? Almost looks fake. It looks photoshopped. Typically for school, I don't really contour my nose, so we're gonna leave that as is. For lips, I do have a lip combo that I want to do. So I have the Colourpop and I Love Satai lip liner in the shade Curvy. I'm gonna use this one all over my lips as a lipstick. I'm gonna top it off with the Lip Pop in the shade Goddess. And we are not done. I'm gonna go ahead and set this in with the A2O setting spray. Alright you guys, that was up this video. Hope you guys all really enjoy. And if you guys haven't guessed it, I did reach 30,000 and I did promise you guys a giveaway. So I partnered up with ShopMissA to pretty much give you guys a huge bag of makeup. And all of the ShopMissA products that I use today, the brushes, the products, everything like that, the lashes, hello, you guys will be winning in a giveaway. And I will have actually 2 giveaway links in the description. So another question that I always get asked is, are your giveaways international? And for the ShopMissA one in particular, yes. For the one that I'm hosting by myself with the products that I purchase and everything like that, those are going to be in a separate link, and that's going to be for US residents only. So one's going to be international, one's going to be for domestic. And I wanted to run down the products that I did use on my face and show you guys what you guys will be winning. And I'm so excited because I was granted this opportunity and I literally just snatched it right away. Once they sent me the email saying, hey, do you want to host a giveaway on your channel and all this stuff, I said yeah. Although this is not sponsored, it is a collaboration with ShopMissA. So here is the huge bag of products that you guys will be winning in the giveaway. So the first one is a Wildflower palette, the one that I use, brand spanking new. Everything that you're going to be getting is coming straight from the ShopMissA warehouse. They will be sending it. So I also have the setting spray that I use, one of my favorites. If you guys want to know like the ShopMissA hits and misses, I do have a video on that. So these are no surprise because I'm just pretty much reiterating myself. I'm so excited, I'm just talking so fast. But I also have 2 brush sets because I love their brushes and I swear by them, and I want you guys to try them out as well. So you guys have the Paw Paw Charity brush set, which is the brush that I always use for my eyes, and then I always use the foaming brush set for my face. So a lot of my contour, blush, highlight, a lot of like the smaller eye brushes, especially this one right here. I use it a lot on my face and in my tutorials. This one is a highlight that I wore. This one is the Wonder highlight in the shade Cream Puff. And then I also have those single bronzers. Now you guys will get to choose like what color you are. I will ask you that in the giveaway link. Everything, all the details and all the rules will be in the giveaway links. So if I'm not saying it here, then obviously double check there. This one is another color in the bronzer. The Rose Eyelash, the Goddess Lip Pop, the eyeliner, the brows, both the sculpting brow and the Wonder Brow. You guys get my favorite freaking sponge. I made this on the top of my list when they said, Jasmine, pick 15 items for this giveaway. The first thing I said was this damn sponge, give it to me. let everybody try it because it's literally my ride or die sponge. I travel with it. I use it every single day. I literally bought 20. There is just a love for this sponge, and I really do love it because it's really soft. And then finally you have my other ride or die product, which is the banana powder. In mine, you can see I hit pan on it. It's just good. It's really good, and I wouldn't recommend these products if I didn't like it. And I know that I talk a lot about ShopMissA. Every single time they have a new launch, I'm always the first to buy it, and I'm always one to try and review it as fast as I can for you guys and give you my honest opinions. And honestly, these ones are the ones that I feel like are worth it and that I feel like you guys will like as well. So I hope you guys all enjoy. Please enter the giveaway, and all the information will be within the links. I hope you guys all enjoy the video, and thank you guys again for 30,000. I really wouldn't reach this number if you guys really didn't noticed me and liked being here. So thank you guys so much for sticking around and always being so true and being awesome. You guys are so amazing as people. Can I just say that? You guys are amazing. Thank you guys for leaving comments, DMs, whatever it is. If you're a silent follower, you just watch my stuff, thank you. Even when I reached 1,000 subscribers, I was like, yes. And each 1,000 that I made, it was just like heart pumping, and I just felt so happy. I'm talking a lot with my hands because I'm so freaking excited, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. And I specifically wanted to do this giveaway because it is the end of the year. It's starting to become, you know, holiday season, gift giving season, and I really want to give back to you guys, especially here. So I hope you guys all enjoy. There's going to be a total of 8 winners in this whole entire giveaway as a whole. 3 for ShopMissA, 5 on my part. So you guys have a lot of chances to win. Not a lot of people enter my giveaways. I just wanted to say that. And make sure you fill them out. All the giveaway links, fill them out correctly, because there has been so many times where people have won and I would have to change the person because they just didn't do it right. So follow the rules, okay? And that pretty much wraps up this video. Hope you guys all enjoy. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.